Alien Xmas.
Yes, Zach. What
Alien.
Please. A movie Grinch.
Hindi, please.
Huh?
Grinch.
Oh,
Did you saw
the
it?
Grinch movie? No, I haven't watched Grinch movie yet.
I know the Grinch.
Was it a nice movie?
Yeah.
But I know
I have never watched it because I feel like it's boring like that. But I have watched Willy Wonka movie. It's so nice.
What teacher?
The Willy Wonka movie.
Teacher, I didn't watch because I just logged in.
Oh, okay.
Teacher, Hey guys.
Anyways,
Teacher, I did not watch it. I didn't watch it because I don't have Netflix.
it's okay. You can just watch it in YouTube like that, like Christmas movies in YouTube.
Willow Wonka.
Oh, you haven't watched
it's
Willy
the
Wonka and the Chocolate Factory?
No.
It's so nice. I like it. I also like the movie Matilda. Matilda movie is so nice too. Yeah, those movies are for kids. It's so nice.
I watched
I
Matilda.
recommend
I watched Matilda.
it. Matilda is nice, right? She got power.
I have a Matilda movie. I have a Matilda movie. Nice, Maya.
Yes, it is nice.
I have Matilda in my laptop. I watch Matilda.
teacher, I like
Oh my god. Matilda is a girl that knows all the
Avengers Endgame. I like it.
Yeah, Avengers is so nice too. Also the Doctor Strange. It's so nice, right? I like it.
Teacher. She also knows 13 times. I watched
But Iron Man died. Iron Man died.
Iron Man died. Iron Man died, but yeah, it's so sad. The end game.
Is the most Spider-Man is the most strongest now.
They should have transferred Iron Man's how do you say it? Iron Man into robot, right? We should have transferred Iron Man's information to the robot.
Or what was just replace Iron Man with another Iron Man? Not going to.
Exactly.
I like Spider-Man because he's cosmic.
True. Anyways, let's study now and let's continue. And we will watch movies next time. How about that?
Yes, movies next.
Jack Frost movie. Do you know it? Have you watched Jack Frost?
I watched. Oh, I already know it.
No.
No. I know it.
You know it?
Watch Netflix.
Jack Frost movie is actually nice. Okay, so let's continue. So here you have your mastery test in English. As what you can see, the first 10 is a multiple choice and the rest are like short answer or essay type of answering. Now let's go over. I have read some of the answers and it was really good. I'm so proud of those who answered very well in short answer and essay type. Number 1, you have here, test 1. Identify the verb in this sentence. So you have the following verbs in each sentence and all you have to do is identify which one of them is the verb. Some of the words that we do have in a sentence composed with subject, and then you have the verb and then agreement. Some got article, preposition, and so on, which we will be going to study in the future. Number 1, you have the sentence, Billy jumped over the fence. Billy jumped over the fence. So which word do you think is the verb? Which word?
Jump.
You have? Yes, the correct answer is jump. Who is that? You hear that?
Yeah.
Billy over the fence, teacher. That's also
So fast.
Okay, next. Number 2. What is that?
First time.
What's that sound? It's Ninya.
Sounds like
It's Nina, teacher. Because my name is Spike on the News.
voted. Number 2 voted.
Okay, next. Number 2. Sarah voted for the very first time. Sarah voted for the very first time.
Voted.
Exactly. We have voted. It's so easy, right? All you have to do is find the verb in the given sentences. Okay, next. You have number 3. The students studied for the test. The students studied for the test.
Studied.
Yes, studied for the test. The correct answer is letter B. Letter B. Next. Number 4, we are eating Los Portales for lunch. We are eating Los Portales for lunch. You have are eating. So are
eating.
Okay, next, number 5. The tiny baby is happy. The tiny baby is happy.
C. Yes.
A, B, or C?
C.
Why did you say it's C? Huh? Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Is
It's C.
verb. How about happy? Happy is
My God, C.
happy is actually an adjective. Okay, happy. Same goes with the tiny. They are adjective. Next, the lost child looks scared. Look scared.
Scared because you shake all your body.
So what is the correct answer here? In number 6. Letter C. It's letter C.
Little boy ran across the street. What's the verb, John?
I love you.
So you have here number 7. The little boy ran across the streets. What's the answer?
Run.
Run. Good job.
Run.
Next, number 8. Austin and Ella were tired. They're so tired.
Tired.
Huh?
Tired.
Tired? Are you sure it's tired?
Tired.
Tired is actually Tired is not a verb.
A.
Okay?
A.
It's an adjective. So tired is an adjective. So which do you think is the verb in the sentence? Ella, Austin and Ella were tired.
Often and
I answer A.
Mhm.
or A too. Or
A. A.
Wait, let me just have the past tense of it. Okay, so the correct answer is letter A and A and
A. D. A and D. Or C.
A and C. Yeah,
Yes.
because I remember there is actually a past tense of it. So past tense shows the verb for this tired. Mm-mm. Okay, next. Number 9. Hayden was talking during class. Hayden was talking during class.
Was talking. Was talking.
Mhm.
Was talking.
Was talking. Like the rest here, no. They were also talking. Talking a lot. Mm. Okay, next. Number 10. Last number you have. The girl screamed because there was a mouse.
Scream.
Huh?
Scream.
Yes, the correct answer is scream.
Scream.
They screamed. Next. So you have here read it is actually the cause and effect. Read the following and write the correct answer on the blank. Yes?
I answered this one by myself. It's so nice. I like myself and it's
Yeah, it's nice, right? So you have here mom, number 1 situation you have mom put her cell phone on the stack of towels by the pool. Later, Carl got out of the pool and reached for a towel. He did not see the cell phone and it went flying onto the water when he grabbed the towel. On top of the stack, he jumped in after it, but the cell phone was ruined. Mhm. So, what caused mom's phone to fall into the pool?
the stack of towels. Carl kicked it. Carl kicked it. When he was getting the towel, the cell phone went flying and go to the pool and he asked for it, but it was ruined. It cannot work and
Mm-hmm.
use it.
Okay. How about other people's answer? What are your answers? Do you have any like answers similar to Zach's? Anyone here? Hello?
That.
Yes, how about the rest? Do you have the same or similar answers with Zach?
I know.
Yes.
Stack of
Yes.
towels. Stack of towels.
Mhm.
Stack of towels.
So, which do you think is the correct answer? Yes? No. Allah. Some forgot what is the cause for the mom's phone to fall into the pool.
Is it just me, teacher? Is it just me to answer?
Okay, so the correct answer is card grabbed the towel that the cell phone was on. That's why it went to the pool. Okay, next. How about number 2? This one. Tony made himself a bowl of cereal in milk. He took his first bite, made an awful face, and hurried to the sink to spit it out. Then he took the carton of milk out of the fridge, opened the top, and took a sniff. The milk had turned sour. So, what was the effect of Tony spitting out his cereal and milk?
The milk was sour.
Oi, what was the effect?
When he opened the milk, he took a sniff, and then the milk turned sour.
The Tony took his bite and spit on it because it was like.
Because a dog.
No. What I meant was, what was the effect of Tony spitting out his cereal and milk? So what is the effect when you knew that the milk is not not good? So the effect was what did he do after? He
took a sniff.
Yes, he took the carton of the milk out of the fridge. Okay, he went to the fridge to check the milk cartoon, right? Because for him it tastes really bad. So he checked
because when you leave milk in the fridge for too long, it will be so sour. But if you add salt in the milk, it will not be sour, right?
Okay. Next, number three. Let's read the question again and the story. So number 3, Hannah was giving her dog Fluffy a bath. Fluffy hated baths. Hannah had just finished lathering Fluffy up with shampoo. When Fluffy jumped out of the tub, she ran all over the house, getting water and suds everywhere. So, what caused Fluffy to jump out of the tub?
Fluffy hated baths.
She hated exactly. She hated baths. Do you also have the same dog?
No.
No.
My dog is like a cat.
Some dogs are scared to take a bath, right?
My dog tingles because my dog is a chihuahua. She's like that.
Exactly.
She wiggles a little. My dog wiggles a little. When she takes a bath.
That's great. But the important is that we took them for make them clean.
But I think she was cold when she took a bath. She was cold.
Okay, next number 4. Let's have number 4. So here, number 4, Sanai was the best player on her soccer team. She always seemed to score at least 1 goal per game. Sometimes even 2 or 3. Yesterday. Sometimes 2 or 3. Well, she seems to be a good player. So yesterday, Sanai did not come to the game. She was sick in bed with the flu. Her team did not score any goals and lost the game. So what was the effect of Sanai missing the game?
Sana was sick because of the flu. And she missed like the game. She missed the game. That's why they do not have points. Suffering this season.
Okay, so what was the cause of it? What was the effect? Let's have number 4 first, this one. What was the effect of Sanai's missing the game? What do you think will happen? Sanai is the one who always get the team to have scored. And now, she missed the game. So what do you think happened to the game? Because she's not there. She was sick.
They lost.
They lost, exactly, right? So when one of you, like example, like you played games and then let's just say your team got 4 members and the opponent or your enemy got 5 members. So what do you think will happen? It will be so unfair, right? But that actually depends in case-to-case basis. Sometimes 4 versus 5, 4 can still win. Next, let's have another one. Number 5. Rico and Jermaine were playing football in the backyard. Sasha's mom asked her to call them inside to clean their rooms. Sasha went outside just as Jermaine threw the football. The football hit Sasha right in the nose. On the nose. So Sasha's nose started to swell and turn red. So what caused Sasha to get hit by the football? So what do you think is the cause of it? Huh?
Or the ball. It's not easy to pronounce it. The ball.
Huh? So what caused Sasha to get hit by the ball? So she what?
Went outside as soon as you went outside and
Okay, exactly. So she went outside just as Jermaine threw the football. Okay, so it's really painful, right? You go outside. Always be careful and always check. Okay, next, number 7. Let's have number 7. And number 6. So for number 6, Destiny was the youngest child in a big family. One day, Destiny started tattling on her brothers and sisters. They got tired of always getting trouble and decided to stop playing with her. Destiny was sad and lonely for a while, but she learned an important lesson about tattling. Tattling is like reporting someone's wrongdoing. Like example, you will tell your mom, sister is not cleaning her house. She's just like playing video games like that. That's what we call tattling. Okay, who among you here likes tattling?
me.
It's like gossiping. Okay, so you have here, what was the effect of Destiny's brothers and sisters not playing with her?
He was sad. Darling and lie. He was sad.
Exactly. So she was sad and lonely for a while, but she learned an important lesson about tattling. So it's not good to tattle. It's not actually nice.
Tattle? Seriously, teacher, do not tattle. Tattling.
Tattling. Okay. Next, let's have the last number. Actually, like this one, it's giving us like details learning.
Is it stories? Is it story time?
It's not. Okay, next, number 7. So here, number 7. When Hector woke up, the first thing he did was look out of the window. The sun was shining brightly. Yesterday's snow was melting fast, and there was no more snow on the trees. And the streets were clear too. No more snow for you, said his mom. Time to get ready for school. So what caused the snow to melt? What?
The sun was shining brightly.
Exactly. Okay, so what caused the snow to melt was that the sun was shining brightly and it melted the snow. Have you experienced snow?
No. No.
America.
I heard that my daddy told me that I have plenty of cousins, and I heard that my daddy had one of my cousins has 2 houses and one of
Snow. Only when I go to America.
Okay, so next, let's have the other one. Actually, you can experience snow. You know where?
I don't like to experience snow. I want to.
Do you know where?
Here actually appears.
In
America,
World.
USA.
In Anjo World.
Hong Kong.
No, Anjo World here in Cebu, the theme park in Minglanilla.
America.
The theme park in Minglanilla, you know, Anjo World, in Minglanilla, they have this snow. Well, let me show it to you. Snow World.
Snow World.
Snow World.
I've never been there.
India also have snow. India. Also have
in India.
Don't forget that Everest. It also has snow.
Everest.
My mommy told them. My mommy told.
The Snow World in Cebu. This one. Let me show.
I know that.
You've been to this place? This one?
No. My brother did.
I don't
know.
Really?
I know about that, but I never been there. Over there.
It's just in Minglanilla.
I already
so near.
Near. Hawaii. Is it Mahal?
It's Mahal?
No.
Actually, it's not Mahal if you will avail the tickets in Metro Deal Cebu. It's so cheap because it's discounted. I don't know, but for me, every time I want something, like example, I want to eat in
Manila.
restaurant, I use the Metro Deal for vouchers.
Did you go land? It's so nice at Fantasyland because there's like a horror house.
Fantasyland? Where is that? No, I haven't seen it. Haven't been there.
No.
Okay, so let's continue now. Here, you have another one. So let's have number 8.
Okay.
Kyle really struggled in math, but he wanted to do well on his upcoming test. He asked his older sister Amaya to help him study. Each day after school, Amaya worked with Kyle. But by the day of the test, Kyle was doing so much better. He took the test and got a B+. So what was the effect of Amaya helping Kyle? What was the effect?
Got a B+.
Yes, exactly. So Kyle got a B+ on his math test. Exactly. So this one is the last one, but we will just continue this next class because it's already time. We are timed in. Okay, so let's end the class now, and we'll see each other again later in Filipino. Everyone's favorite.
No.
Not your favorite, it's your favorite.
My favorite.
Oh,
Good class teacher. Super language. And bye.
but you know it's nice to have like it's nice to learn the Tagalog language. It's because if we know how to speak Tagalog, we can communicate. But the Tagalog people, the people in Luzon, they don't know how to speak Cebuano, so we're still advanced.
Ano ba Cebuano mean? What's Cebuano?
Cebuano is what we call to the people who live in Cebu.
I only know the Tagalog of water, tubig, right? Tubig. Tubig niya ko.
Huh?
What does that mean? Oh,
What did you say?
maunsa ka, teacher. What? Kang kansa. What does that mean? Oh, mas ata na adto balay. Ano sa ata na adto balay? Nagtagas na.
Okay, so let's say goodbye now. Goodbye, everyone.